What will you learn in this video? Hello and welcome to English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic, 10 tips to learn English. Whether you are just starting your English journey or want to improve your skills, these tips will help you a lot. In this video, you will learn simple and effective tips that you can start using today. We'll cover how to improve your vocabulary, grammar, speaking, listening, and even writing skills. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's begin. Tip 1. Start with basic vocabulary. The first and most important step is to build your vocabulary. Without words, you cannot speak or write English. So start with simple and common words that you use in daily life. For example, days of the week, Monday, Tuesday. Colors red, blue, green. Family members, mother, father, brother. Common verbs, eat, sleep, go, come. Learn 5 to 10 new words every day. Use flashcards or mobile apps like Quizlet or Anki. Practice the pronunciation, spelling, and meaning of each word. Try to use new words and sentences so they stay in your memory. Bonus tip. Make a word diary where you write down all the new words you learn every day. Tip 2. Listen to English daily. Listening helps you understand how native speakers talk. It also improves your pronunciation and sentence structure. Start by listening to English songs, English news channels like BBC or CNN, English podcasts or YouTube channels, movies and TV shows with English subtitles. When you listen regularly, your ears get used to the sounds of English. Even if you don't understand everything at first, don't worry. With time, your listening will improve naturally. Bonus tip. Repeat what you hear. This practice is called shadowing and helps you speak better. Tip 3. Speak English every day. Many students know English, but don't speak it because they feel shy or afraid of making mistakes. But remember, practice makes perfect. Speak English as much as you can, even if you make mistakes. Here's how to practice. Talk to friends or family in English. Speak in front of a mirror. Join English conversation groups online or offline. Use speaking apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Bonus tip. Record yourself speaking. Then listen and improve your pronunciation and fluency. Tip 4. Watch English videos. Watching videos is a fun and powerful way to learn English. You can learn pronunciation, vocabulary, expressions, and grammar without even realizing it. Choose content that you enjoy. Comedy shows, English learning channels like English with Altaf, cooking shows, tech reviews, travel vlogs, etc. Watch videos with subtitles first, then try watching without subtitles. Try to copy how the speakers talk. Bonus tip. After watching a video, try to explain what you learned in your own words. Tip 5. Read simple English books. Reading helps you improve your vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structure. Start with easy English books such as children's storybooks, short stories, simple novels for beginners, articles and blogs. Read every day for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Underline the words you don't know and check their meanings later. Bonus tip. Read out loud. It helps you improve your pronunciation and fluency at the same time. Tip 6. Use English in your daily life. Try to add English into your daily routine. Here are some easy ways. Change your mobile and social media language to English. Write your to-do list in English. Think in English. Don't translate from your native language. Try to describe things around you in English. The more you use English in your daily life, the faster you'll improve. Bonus tip. Talk to yourself in English. It may feel strange at first, but it's a great way to practice. Tip 7. Learn English grammar step by step. Grammar is the backbone of any language. But don't try to learn everything at once. Start with the basics. Parts of speech, noun, verb, adjective. Tenses, present, past, future. Sentence structure. Subject plus verb plus object. Articles A and the. Learn one grammar topic at a time and practice with examples. Use grammar books or websites like Grammarly, Perfect English Grammar, or even your favorite YouTube teacher. Bonus tip: don't worry about being perfect. Focus on communicating clearly. Tip 8. Practice writing in English. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and use what you have learned. Start small. Write your daily routine in English. Keep a journal or diary. Write about your hobbies, family, or future goals. Ask a friend, teacher, or even an online tutor to check your writing and give feedback. Bonus tip: try writing short messages, comments, or emails in English. Tip 9. Don't be afraid of mistakes. This is very important. Many people stop speaking or learning because they're afraid of making mistakes. But remember, mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. Instead of feeling embarrassed, learn from your mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward in your journey. Bonus tip: celebrate your small wins, like completing a book, learning 100 new words, or having a full conversation in English. Tip 10. Stay consistent and motivated. Learning English takes time. It's not something you can learn in one day or 1 week. You have to practice every day, even if it's just for 10-15 minutes. Set goals. I will learn 5 new words today. I will watch 1 English video daily. I will speak English for 10 minutes. Stay motivated by tracking your progress. Reward yourself when you reach a goal. Bonus tip: join an English learning community to get support, tips, and motivation from others. Summary: what did we learn today? In this video, we learned 10 simple and powerful tips to help you learn English faster and better. Start with basic vocabulary. Listen to English daily. Speak English every day. Watch English videos. Read simple English books. Use English in your daily life. Learn English grammar step by step. Practice writing in English. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Stay consistent and motivated. If you follow even 3 to 5 of these tips regularly, you'll start to see amazing improvements in your English. And remember, it's okay to learn slowly. What matters is that you keep going.